Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name on Crunchyroll. To change your name on Crunchyroll, first of all, open up the Crunchyroll application and log into your account. You can also go visit crunchyroll.com on a web browser and sign in. Once logged in, find the account button at the bottom right and inside the account menu, tap on the pencil button at the top of the screen right underneath your profile picture. You will then be able to edit your profile. Go to the Profile Name tab and enter a new name for your profile. Finally, click on Save. Right after that, you will be able to see that you have successfully changed your profile name on Crunchyroll. But when it comes to changing your username, you can only change it while creating a new account, and once you've picked a username, you will not be able to change it again. So that is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Crunchyroll tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.